Ilonggos are known to be food lovers, kag makit-an ini sa different Ilonggo delicacies that will surely capture not only your appetite, but also your heart. Gani, kung kamo nagapangita sang pinakamanamit nga bulalo in town, stop over at Yong's Bulalohan located at EV Building, Halandoni Street, Haro, Iloilo City. Make sure that you bring your friends for them to taste their delicious bulalo, the first ever home-cooked Bulalohan in Iloilo serving each Ilonggo, sigurado manamit gid nga bulalo in a very affordable price. The serving of bulalo cost, bulalo in large bowl, 150 pesos, bulalo in medium bowl, 120 pesos, bulalo in small bowl, 70 pesos, buto-buto, 40 pesos, and nilaga for 25 pesos. They are also serving different menus like sizzling sisig, sizzling calamares, sisig rice, inihaw platter, and more. They also have a bar counter that offers different mixed drinks, as they called zombie drinks. It includes piña colada, tequila sunrise, Long Island tea, and screwdriver. They also serve lunch and dinner daily, so pick your choice of menus and drinks. Now, enjoy the rest of your mouthful experience at Yong's Bulalohan.
Kadto ka mo sa Yong's Bulalohan, kaya ang pagkaon sigurado manamit. Dali, taong ta!
Yong's comes from siya sa nickname ng husband ko nga Yong. That's why naging Yong's Bulalohan. We originated year 2012. Actually, canteen pa man lang siya sa building. And eventually, nag-click. Kaya mo na nga na-extend kami sa Sagwa. Dason parking area nakakuha na namon. Dason, originally kami ginadiyang first nga Bulalohan diri sa Halandoni, Haro. And then, after 3 months, naman namin nabuluha na. Pero, originally, kami gid. Diri sa Yong's Bulalohan, bina-serve kayo not only bulalo, but also may mga ihaw-ihaw kami diri. Fresh seafoods like ang bangus, and then squid, shrimps. Dason may mga, ang specialty, gid na may mga sizzling sisig, sizzling gambas. We have also calamares. We also serve pata and batchoy. Here, kung gusto nyo yan, mag-snacks lang. So, all fellow Ilonggos, gina-invite din naman kamo para magkato diri sa Yong's Bulalohan, the first and original bulalo here in Halandoni, Haro. Dire, gano gid ako sa inyo, gahambal gid ako nga ang pagkaon diri, sigurado manamit.
Don't close your eyes, cause your future's ready to shine. It's just a matter of time before we learn how to fly.